Bagao National High School, a public secondary learning institution that grows as it goes, located in the northern part of Cagayan, is now ready to conquer the challenge laid by the Department of Education, that is, an advocacy movement for punctuality and honesty. Bagao National High School upholds Project Watch. We advocate time consciousness and honesty. The school commits itself to nurture lives through instilling the values of punctuality and honesty in numerous essential projects and activities for the productivity and advancement of our nation. Activities under Project Watch are well-timed and overpowering. As a head start, the first set of officers have been elected through virtual platform. The pioneer officers responsively led the orientation of parents, barangay officials, and students to communicate the project goals and objectives. Involvement of various stakeholders was also encouraged in carrying out the advocacy movement. A resolution requesting a financial assistance from the local government unit has been passed. Fortunately, a very favorable response has been acquired from the LGU leaders of Bagao. To bridge communication gaps, the officers created the Facebook page Bagao NHS Project Watch, wherein various reminders and updates will be posted for further information dissemination. Personnel from the Philippine National Police Municipal Station were also advocated to take part in the enactment of Project Watch. Carrying the tagline, strengthening the culture of honesty and punctuality towards a lasting legacy amidst pandemic, the BNHS fruitfully executed the Project Watch kick-off ceremony, which highlighted the induction of its officers and the most anticipated launching of the 3 projects under Project Watch: Project Tiktak, Project Saludo, and Project Tignay. Amidst the glitches and encounters brought by the pandemic, Bagao National High School efficiently launched 3 notable projects under Project Watch. Project Tiktak, tamang estratehiya at katapatan tungo sa akmang kaugalian. This project aims to instill honesty, punctuality, nurturing attitudes and values of BNHS teachers and students in the implementation of modular distance learning modality. This venture centers on the activities in fostering honesty and punctuality among BNHS teachers and learners in the modular distance learning. Among these are the integration of values of honesty and time consciousness in lesson planning, and reciting the Project Watch prayer in all school undertakings. Project Saludo, salamat sa ugnayang dala ng oras. This project is anchored on the motivation and reward system of the school to give emphasis on recognizing exemplary attitudes, portraying the values of honesty and punctuality among students, teachers, parents, and other stakeholders in the community who exemplify the value of honesty and punctuality shall be given due recognition during organized school conferences. Project Tignay, timely instilling of greenyard and nature advocacies for the youth. This project shall aim to instill positive action and caring attitudes of students towards the environment through backyard gardening or quarantanim activities, with integration of ecological and solid waste management practices at home. The Bagao National High School prepares and prides itself as it embraces the exemptional role of every stakeholder as force multipliers in upholding its advocacy to provide quality, righteous, sensible, and lifelong learning towards transformational community and global competence.